everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Evernote account on your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Get to the main home page of Evernote account. If you're logged into your Evernote account on a web browser, then this will be your main home page. To sign out or log out of your Evernote account, you can simply go ahead and click on the drop down at the top left hand corner right next to your email address. Now, in the pop-up, click on Sign Out button. Wait a few seconds and you'll be able to see that you've been redirected to the main home page of Evernote. Remember that once you're logged out, you'll need to type in your credentials again to log into your account. That is how you can easily sign out or log out of Evernote.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.